Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Google Colab with GitHub. For the webinar series that we are running, we are sharing our IPython notebooks through GitHub so that we can maintain version control well and provide you with the code that's the best at all times. So it would be great if you could go through this video before our sessions so that you know how to connect your Google Colab with GitHub and you can follow along with the webinar with ease. So to start off, let me show you the presentation that we will be sharing during the webinar. So during the webinar, we will be sharing a link with you guys. It will appear in the chat. Once we hit the slide, someone will share this URL with you in the Slack, in the chat channel. So once that's done, please copy that. And first thing you want to do is, let me just show you from start. You go to Google Colab, just Google search for Google Colab, nothing else, and open up the first link. You want to go to the main colab.research.google.com. That is the destination that I would like to go to. So going there, we see that it has multiple different options of loading our Python notebooks. You can use Google Drive, examples, GitHub, and upload. And obviously GitHub is the one that we want to focus on now. So it gives you an option to enter a GitHub URL or search by organization or user. One thing is this will be shared in the chat, so you will get the URL from there. If you cannot get to the chat, just Google for women, GitHub, women who code data science. That's the one you're looking for. A simple Google search will get you to this location too. WW code data science is the one that we're focusing on. And this is the URL that we are sharing with you guys. So once you have this URL through the chat or through your Google search, you want to enter this URL in the search bar that's given and hit search. Do not just leave it as is. You need to hit either enter or search for the search to actually happen. So once you do that, it searches through there and pulls up all the IPython notebooks I have available in that repository. And then if you go back to the presentation, we will mention which one we are focusing on. They're also numbered so that you know based on which week you're on, which one you will be working on. So in this case, we're going to be doing the intro to NumPy and Pandas Python notebook first. So going back here, if I pull up the notebook that I would like to use, just clicking on it will open the notebook. You can see what all options they have. And then open notebook in new tab is an option, and view notebook source, which will take you back to GitHub. So let us open the notebook itself. So this is basically just loaded the notebook from GitHub to here. It's in your local repository. So let's find out where this thing sits. You can also go back to GitHub to view the code. That is an option. And once you do that, once you get this open, I would suggest to save a copy in Drive. Specify whichever location that you would like to save it to. And once that you've saved this, it will have the name as copy of mini data science bootcamp. But this is your copy, which is present in your Google Drive. So you can make any edits you want on this and it will be saved into your Google Drive. And this is the best way to go about it. So I would reset the name to be whatever you'd like and make sure that it's stored in the location that you'd like. So one thing you can do is, you can save it to GitHub. Also, if you like, you can maintain your own GitHub. That is also an option. Or you can download it and run them locally too. That is also an option for you. So once you do this, this should get your Google Colab and Drive connected. And I'm just going to run 2 cells to show you that it works. Running the cells also, you can either do a shift return or shift enter based on whether you have a Mac or a Windows machine. Or you can hit the play button that pops up on the right. So my notebook is now set up. It has its own kernel working fine, and I'm able to get some code running. So this is the way that you would go about linking your Google Colab with GitHub, using GitHub code that's present publicly and using that internally by yourself and making a copy of it so that you can work on it. I hope this video is helpful. Do join our Slack channel and let us know if you have any issues running this or if you run into any issues with this. Thank you.